Mustang designed and built in just 117 days. Cost them $40,000 to produce at the time. Early is that were flying the aircraft, and so with the D model, the Allison was replaced with the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. And from then on, the P-51 Mustang excelled in pretty much any capacity it was asked to perform. Jet engine thrust. Mustang first flew back on October 26, 1940. Dallas, Texas. Series of aileron rolls right down the shoreline. Such as RT Dixon brings the Mustang known as Swamp Fox around for another pass from our right. Mustang underwent a complete restoration from 2007 to 2012. Restoration was managed by Jeff Harris at Allied Fighters in Chino, California, with Micah Brochure's vintage airframes in Caldwell, Idaho, doing a majority of the work. Also providing support during the restoration was Fighter Rebuilders out of Chino, as well as Westpac Restorations out of Colorado Springs. Several decades on the ground, this aircraft's first flight after restoration was mid-May of 2012. United States Armed Forces. Surrounded by family and friends, had the opportunity to see this Mustang restored as his was during World War II. After lunch, Lieutenant Ford strapped into the rear seat of Swamp Fox, rode with Robert as they flew in formation with two other 357th FG or fighter group P-51s. This time from the right, RT Dixon and Swamp Fox.